So dear students, now we are discussing on our quiz test on biological classification which was held on 18 December, that means yesterday. Highest score is 44 out of 60. The PDF link of question paper is given in description box and please do comment how was the question paper. Please join my Telegram channel for upcoming quiz test because if you don't join you can't appear for quiz test as I sent question paper in Telegram channel. To know the procedure to appear for the test, watch my previous video. Link is given in description box. I have already launched top 1000 biology quiz questions for NEET 2021 and completed round 1 and will be continued for sure, totally free of cost. Next quiz test will be on chapter 3 plant kingdom on 26th December. The time of exam and number of questions will be updated in Telegram channel after taking students' opinion. Okay. So now let's start. Okay. The first question, read the given statements about lichens and select the incorrect ones. Algal partner is called phycobiont. Okay, it is right. And the fungal partner is called mycobiont. Okay. The phycobiont is mostly a phycomycetes. No, this is wrong because phycobiont means this is algae. Okay, but phycomycetes, it is a fungi class. Okay, so it cannot be correct. The phycobiont is mostly a green alga or cyanobacteria. Okay, this is never possible to be phycomycetes. Okay, because it is from fungi. Okay, they don't grow in polluted areas. It is right because we know they are pollution indicator lichen. Okay, so they don't grow in polluted areas. They constitute the pioneer community in case of hydroxy. This is also wrong because they constitute the pioneer community in case of lithoxy, not hydroxy. Okay. The pioneer community in case of hydroxy is phytoplankton. Okay. So now we should know about something hydroxy. Okay. So we first know about ecological succession. So what is ecological succession? Ecological succession is the observed process of changes of species structure. Okay, of an ecological community. There will be change in species structure. Okay, of an ecological community. That is called ecological succession. So what is community? So first we should know what is population. A population is a group of organisms of same species that live in the same area. Suppose we are humans, so human population, we are of same species. Okay. And now what is community? A community is a group of different population that live in the same area. Okay, so a community is made up of different population. Okay, so this is the difference between population and community. Okay, so there are various stages from pioneer stage to climax stage of a succession. Okay, so this is hydroxy, xeroxy and lithoxy. Okay, so they constitute the pioneer community. That means the first group of organisms that is established in ecological succession. Okay, So pioneer means the first group of organisms. Okay, so this is wrong. So the right answer is D. Okay, this is the right answer. 2, this is incorrect, and 4, this is also incorrect. So these are the incorrect. Okay, so this is the right option. So number 2, Theo Diner discovered viroids in 1971. Okay, it is given in NCERT very clearly. Okay, 1971 is the answer. Now number 3, read the given statements about mycoplasma and select incorrect ones. They lack a cell wall, it is right. They can't survive without oxygen, it is wrong, because they can survive without oxygen. Okay, they are the smallest living cells, this is right. They are pathogenic only in plants, this is wrong, because they are pathogenic in plants and also animals, not only in plants. Okay, so these are incorrect. So the answer is B. Okay, 4 and 2, this is 4 and 2. Okay, this is the right choice. Okay, now number 4, members of kingdom Podesta are primarily aquatic. Okay, it is clearly given in NCERT that members of kingdom Podesta are primarily aquatic. Okay, this is the answer. Now 5, sexual reproduction in fungi occurs by all except, that is oospore. This is also a sexual spores. Okay, so this is right. Axospore, this is also sexual spores. Zoospores, this is not the spore of sexual reproduction. Zoospore is a motile spore which is produced asexually. Okay, so this is the right answer. Okay, this is except. Okay, that means this is not by sexual reproduction. Okay, and basidiospores, these spores are also produced by sexual reproduction. Only zoospores are produced by asexual reproduction. Okay, so this is the answer. So now number 6, members of Phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitats. Obviously, they live in wide variety of habitats. Okay, so this is also right. On decaying wood, this is also right. Okay, we know about mimicker. Okay, moist and damp places, this is also right. As obligate parasite, this is also right. Okay, we know albugo. Okay, so these all are right. So the correct option is D. Okay, so now next. Okay, so now 7, the cell wall composed of 2 thin overlapping cells which fit like a soap case in. The option is diatoms. This is right choice. Okay, desmids and diatoms are also under group chrysophytes, but only diatoms, they are the feature. Okay, they are cell wall composed of 2 thin overlapping cells that fit like a soap case. Okay, so the answer is diatoms. So now number 8, read the following statements about euglenoids and select the incorrect ones. Majority of them are freshwater organisms. Okay, this is right, and they live in stagnant water. Okay, like pond. Okay, they have a cell wall. This is wrong, because instead of a cell wall, they have pellicle, that is a protein rich layer that makes their body flexible. Okay, so they have no cell wall. They have two flagella of equal length. This is also wrong because they have two flagella, it is right, but they are not equal in length. One is short and one is long. Okay. They have mixotopic nutrition. This is right. What is mixotopic nutrition? Now, when there is sunlight available, they behave like a photosynthetic organisms. Okay. They can perform photosynthesis in presence of sunlight. But when there is no sunlight available, they behave like heterotrophs. So this mode of nutrition we call mixotopic nutrition. Okay. So the right option is C. These are incorrect. 2 and 3. Okay. These are incorrect. So this is the right option. So number 9. The bread mold is a member of class. What is bread mold? We called Rhizopas. Okay. That is we call bread mold. So member of Phycomycetes. Okay. Rhizopas, Mucor and Albuco. They are all members of Phycomycetes. Okay. So the right option is B. Now 10. Ringworm in humans is caused by fungi. This is the right answer. Okay. Now 11. Read the following statements about cyanobacteria and select correct ones. They have all types of chlorophyll except chlorophyll A. This is totally wrong because they have chlorophyll A similar to green plants. Okay. For that, they can perform photosynthesis and they are the first organisms on earth to produce oxygen. Okay. There is also bacteria. They can do photosynthesis, but they can't produce oxygen. So bacteria do anoxygenic photosynthesis, but cyanobacteria do oxygenic photosynthesis. So cyanobacteria are the first organisms to produce oxygen on earth. Okay. They are found only in fresh water. This is also wrong because not only in fresh water, they are also found in marine water, in terrestrial places. Okay. Some filamentous BGA, that means blue-green algae, that is cyanobacteria, have heterocyst. Yes, it is right. By heterocyst, they fix atmospheric nitrogen. Okay. Filamentous BGA, example is nostoc and anabina. They are filamentous cyanobacteria. Okay. They perform fixation of atmospheric nitrogen by specialized cells, heterocyst. Okay. Now, they are chemosynthetic autotrophs. No, this is wrong because they are photosynthetic because they have the chlorophyll A. Okay, similar to green plants. So they can perform photosynthesis. So they are photosynthetic autotrophs. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria are there. They oxidize inorganic substance. Okay, to get energy. That is ATP. Okay. So correct ones. This is the question. So the option is D. Because only 3 is correct. Okay. So now number 12. Archaebacteria differ from other bacteria in having different cell membrane structure. No. Different mode of nutrition. These all are same. Different habitats. Also same. Different cell wall structure. This is the right option. That is clearly given in NCERT. Different cell wall structure. Archaebacteria differ from other bacteria in having different cell wall structure. Generally, bacteria have peptidoglycan in their cell wall, but archaebacteria don't have peptidoglycan in their cell wall. Okay. Now 13. Which of the following statements is correct regarding sexual reproduction in Basidiomycetes? Plasmogamy occurs by fusion of two somatic cells of same stems. No, this is different, not same. Okay, so this is wrong. Karyogyny and meiosis occur in Basidium, producing 8 basidiospores. No, this is 4, not 8. Okay, this is also wrong. You know, firstly there is plasmogamy, then karyogamy, and then meiosis in case of Basidiomycetes and Ascomycetes. Okay. In case of Axomycetes, there is axospore. Okay. So now, Basidiospores are exogenously produced in Basidium. This is right. Basidiospores are exogenously produced, whereas Ascospores are endogenously produced in Saccharide Axi. Okay. So this is the right option. Okay. So this is all. So this is wrong. So this is only the right option is C. Okay. Now 14. Which one is an incorrectly matched pair? Ascomycetes, East, Claviceps. Okay, this is right. Also other that is Penicillium, that is Neurospora, which is very used in research work. Okay. Basidiomycetes, Agaricus. Okay. Ustiligo. Okay. Also right. Okay, and there is also Paxenia in Basidiomycetes. Oh. Phycomycetes, Albugo. Okay. Colitotrichum. No, this is from Deuteromycetes. Okay. In Phycomycetes there is Albugo, Rhizobus and Mucor, not Colitotrichum. Okay. Deuteromycetes, Alternaria, Titoderma and Colitotrichum. Okay. So this is okay. So this is incorrectly matched pair. Okay. So the answer is C. Okay. Now 15. This is the last. Which of the following is or are correct? Prions cause potato spindle tuber disease. No, it is wrong. Viroids cause potato spindle tuber disease. Okay. Prions cause mad cow disease. Okay. And prions are only made up of protein, whereas viroids are only made up of RNA. And the RNA of viroid was of low molecular weight. Okay, this is right. Now 3. In general, viruses that infect plants have double-stranded DNA. This is totally wrong, because in general, viruses that infect plants have single-stranded RNA. You know about tobacco-mosaic virus, TMV. Okay. It has single-stranded RNA. Okay. So the viruses that infect plants have single-stranded RNA. Okay. And these double-stranded DNA viruses infect animals. Okay. Also there is single or double-stranded RNA virus also there that infect animals. Okay. Number 4. W.M. Stanley crystallized virus in 1931. It's okay, but this year is wrong. This is 1935. Okay, so this is wrong. So the answer is only 2. This is the right answer, because correct, only 2 is correct. Okay. So thank you. I will declare soon the date of next examination. Okay. And the quiz test will be on plant kingdom. It is confirmed. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, thank you.